You know that feeling. You're scrolling, and suddenly everyone's living a better life than you. Everyone's prettier, richer, happier. And you think, what's wrong with me? Here's the thing nobody tells you. That feeling isn't your fault. It's designed. And the mindset everyone keeps pushing you to have, the main character mindset, is the exact thing quietly destroying your mental health. So what is the main character trap? It's that idea, you've seen it in a million TikToks, that you are the star of your own movie. Everyone else is just a supporting character. Sounds empowering, right? Cute. But here's the dark side. When you start living like you're performing for an audience, you stop living for yourself. Here's how it hurts you. 3 ways. First, it wires your brain for validation. Every like, every comment, that's a little hit of dopamine. Your brain literally treats it like a reward. And like any drug, you need more and more to feel the same. Before you know it, you're not posting what you love. You're posting what you think will get the most likes. That's not being the main character. That's being a puppet. Second, it makes you compare your behind the scenes to everyone's highlight reel. Think about it. Your feed is everyone's best day. Filtered, staged, rehearsed. And you're comparing that to your real messy ordinary Tuesday. That's not a fair fight. That's you fighting a ghost. Third, it turns your identity into a performance. When everything you do is content, you stop having moments. You stop having private thoughts. You're always on. And that constant performance, it's exhausting. That's why so many people feel empty, even while their posts are doing well. Before I show you the fix, and trust me, there is one, drop a comment and tell me, which one of these hits you hardest? The validation thing, the comparison thing, or the performance thing? Here's the twist. The actual main characters, the people who genuinely have their life together, they're not posting constantly. They're not performing. Because here's the secret nobody sells you. The people winning at life don't need the applause. This is where the ancient wisdom comes in. Lao Tzu, 2,500 years ago, said the master observes without trying to control. The person who doesn't need the spotlight, that's the person who's actually free. The flex isn't being seen. The flex is not needing to be seen. So what do you actually do starting today? 3 things. 1. Post because you want to, not because you need to. If a post flops, who cares? You didn't lose anything real. 2. Schedule 1 hour a day with 0 social media. Just you, real life, real people. Watch what happens to your head. 3. Ask yourself before you post, am I sharing this or am I performing this? If it's performing, keep it to yourself. That's your own private main character moment. Here's the bottom line. The main character trap isn't about being the star. It's about needing everyone to watch you be the star. And the moment you let go of that need, that's when you actually win. If this hit, subscribe. I drop a video like this every week, breaking down how ancient wisdom fixes modern problems. And drop a comment. Are you stuck in the trap? I'll pin the best answer.